Hi, welcome. So let me explain the lead center in Meta Business Suite. So what is lead center? So in the lead center, you will see all the leads that comes from your Facebook page, your Facebook ads, Instagram. From everywhere, anywhere, the leads comes. All the leads will be reflected here. As you can see here, like when you will go on the lead center, here you will see all the leads that intake from the Facebook ads. Okay, so you can see that move to qualified, move to converted, move not qualified, lost, delete lead, report lead. So all the things you can monitor here. The main purpose of the lead center, from here you can identify all the things and you can change the status. Suppose if this convert call is there, this is intake, like the leads is comes the intake, the number of leads that entered the intake stage in last 7 days. Okay, and here you can say that converted, the number of leads that entered in the converted stage, means this is the fresh lead. The Donald just is the fresh lead. So when I hit in the qualified, so this lead has been turned into the qualified from the intake. So that will be help us to maintain the ratio of the leads. Like we can identify which for which leads we have to take the follow-up, and which leads has been qualified and which lead has been converted to our sales part. You can add multiple stage here. You can add, suppose, the stage name, the first call, second call, third call. In this way you can manage the multiple stage, and there you can manage all the things like the first call need to be done with this person, the second call will need to be done with this person. So you can create multiple stages, and for all the stages you can perform the action. And there are the two way that you can see. The first one is the pipeline view, that is currently viewing the table view. This is the table view that you can see here. Okay, so the pipeline view is the best that you can use, and the filter is also there. You can also add the filters to filter the leads from here. The campaign is there, from which campaign the leads is coming, that you can monitor here. The forms is there, like you can filter the forms. Suppose if you will run the multiple ads, you are running 10 ads, so from 10 ads there will be 10 forms. So you can filter out the form, like from which form you want to see all the ads. You can filter the dates from here, like this month, last started age. All the leads will be reflected here. The status will be there. Okay, and the source, it will be odd, paid leads, organic leads, direct leads. All the things will be reflected here. Assigned to, which person have been assigned these leads. You can add multiple person here. The labels is there. You can create and add the labels to the leads. So, and if you will see here, so unread lead only, so lost leads. So you can check the filter here, and you can also download lead as a CSV on the basis of the current filter. So in the lead center, the main purpose of the lead center is to help you to maintain the leads, the status of the leads, and you can check all the leads at one place instead of checking into the multiple places. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you have any question, you can ask. Thank you.